Hi everybody and welcome to today's cryptocurrency video. It's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, bringing you the latest cryptocurrency analysis on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we would be bringing you all the analyses on all your favorite cryptocurrencies. And without further ado, let us move over to the chart. And today we are on the chart for CKB, or the Navos network, versus the USD Theta. We are on the weekly time frame, and Binance is the data source. And today we would be looking through a few charts for CKB and see what we expect in the medium to long term, even for CKB. And one of the things we could see is that CKB on the weekly time frame is getting rejected at the 0.007707 level. As you can see, price pushed up down from the lows out on the 19th of December of 2022, and as you can see, since then price has pushed up a whopping 269%, and as you can see, since then we had some little correction and price is pushing over to the upside. Currently, as you can see, right, we have gotten rejected twice. As you can see, price came down even to this level and we got rejected again, right? And so this is the level we should be watching, as if the price of CKB could get above this resistance, then we are in for a very huge bull run, even for CKB. As you can see, the last time we got above the 0.070 region, as you can see, we had a huge push to the upside of about 500%. I mean, that is really huge. And so next we should be expecting that for any reason, as you can see, this level has also been very huge support even for CKB in the last bull run. As you can see, we had a huge dump, but we had our support still at the same region. We saw another push even to the upside for CKB, and since then we have seen a push to the downside. So currently this is the main and only resistance line we should be looking at for it, because if by any chance we could see CKB flip the 0.0070 level, we could see a very huge, we should be expecting all-time highs even for CKB, and if probably even exceeding our all-time highs. And I'll be giving you several proofs to show you that we are at a very critical point in time even for CKB. As if we bring up one of our indicators, the oscillator, which we love so much, as you can see, right, this is a very critical point. As you can see, we have 2 days and 16 hours to the end of the weekly candle, and so if we close below this will be very bearish, and therefore we could see another dump down even for CKB. But if we close the weekly candle above the 0.070 region, right, we could see a huge push to the upside even for CKB in the medium to long term range. If we move over to smaller time frames, such as the 3 days time frame, right, this is another chart, right, and this is the Bollinger Bands. As you can see, right, the Bollinger Bands are also undecided on this region, right, where we are currently. As you can see, we had same thing with our levels, as you can see, at the 0. Let's fix the price here. As you can see, right out at our 0.007 region, right, as you can see, right, this is what we should be expecting even on the 3 days time frame. On the 3 days time frame, we are having on our oscillator some sort of we could say it's bullish, right, on the 3 days time frame. But another thing we should be very careful, right, is that we are having some sort of bearish, right, divergence even on our RSI. As you can see, right, we are having some sort of hidden bearish divergence. So we could see another push to the downside as our RSI is showing us a danger sign that we should be expecting some sort of push to the downside, as this is a hidden bearish divergence even to the downside. As you can see, we just formed a higher low, right? So we should be expecting another push to the downside. So currently on the 3 days time frame, we are favoring a push to the downside. As you can see, we are seeing this on our RSI. And as you can see, even on this chart, we are having some sort of down on this chart, we are having some sort of rejection even for the price of CKB, right? We are having some sort of rejection, so we could see the price of CKB down even at our next support level, even at the 0.00. Let's see what this is, at our 0.0058 region, right? This chart gives us a better explanation as to where we could see price. As you can see on the daily time frame, we are getting rejected, as you can see, at our 0.0070 level, and this is a huge rejection. So we could see price on the 0.00515, as that is our next major support level. So we could see a huge push to the downside, right? But we could see a count on CKB that we see CKB come to the downside like this, and then we see another huge push above, right, our resistance. And as you can see, but currently we should be expecting some kind of little push to the downside, even though our oscillator is still pushing over to the upside. So we could still see another push to the upside, as we are very bullish on CKB. So we could just see some little consolidation or even a push to the downside before another push even to the upside, right? If we bring up some other indicators such as the altcoin doctors indicator, which are still bullish, as you can see, our altcoin doctors indicator is our buy sell indicator. It shows us when price is bullish and when price is bearish. And as you can see right down here, we were bullish right at the bottoms, and as you can see, price pushed up even about 200% for CKB, right? And as you can see, we were bearish at this level, and as you can see, price switched bearish, and you can see we pushed down to the downside for about 50%. Currently, as you can see, our altcoin buy sell indicator is very bullish on CKB. As you can see, we are still pushing to the downside. Same thing with our oscillator. Our oscillator is very also bullish, so we could still accept we could still see some little just consolidation to the downside, and then a very huge push to the upside, even for CKB. So we should just be expecting some sort of correction in the next few days, or little consolidation before we see, right, a push above our major resistance of the 0.070 level. If you like the channel, you like the analysis, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.